How to set up and thread a sewing machine by Breanna Johnson and Robin Corvi. This is the finished product.
The supplies you will need are
A sewing machine, thread, a needle, a chair, a table, electrical outlet, and a bobbin.
first take the cover off the machine and place it on the back of the chair.
Slide the machine towards you on the table.
Unwrap the foot pedal cord and place the foot pedal on the ground.
Take the black cord and plug it in.
Place the foot pedal, raise the foot pedal, and turn the hand wheel towards you so the needle is up.
Turn the light on and put the thread spool on the thread holder. Put the cap over the end of the thread spool.
Take the end of the thread and follow the instructions on the machine. Put the thread around the top and pull it down and then back up. Put the thread in this silver take-up leather and put it down. Put the thread around the top of the needle holder and the thread through the front of the needle. Take the bobbin and take off the plastic cover that is over the feed box. Place the bobbin in the bobbin case, take the thread and go around the silver bar. Let the thread hang out and put the plastic cover back over the bobbin. Hold the top thread and press the button that makes the needle go up and down. The bobbin thread will be connected to the needle thread.
Then I'll fit inside there. We'll have to make it like that.
Grab the threads and place them so that both are behind the presser foot.
It's too.
You are now ready to sew.